When you search for makeup brush sets, everything looks the same. Same colors, same claims, same shiny photos. But to figure out which one actually performs and which just looks good online, you have to look past the packaging and dig into what really matters.
Product number 1, BS Mall 18-piece set. This one caught my eye because it's super affordable at $9.99 and comes with a labeled travel case, which is rare at this price. If you want a complete starter kit that covers every part of your face, this is worth a serious look. The 18 brushes include everything from foundation and concealer to eyeshadow and lip brushes, and they're all made with soft nylon bristles that don't shed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each brush is clearly labeled, so even if you're just starting out, you'll know exactly which one to use for blending, contouring, or highlighting. The case is lightweight and keeps everything organized, making it great for travel. Plus, it's held up well after multiple washes, which says a lot for the price. Now, some people complained about the handles feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, they're not going to break from normal use. But if you're someone who presses hard while applying foundation, you might notice a little wobble. Still, for under $10, the value is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a backup set for travel. Skip this one if you're looking for luxury level durability. For the price, it's an absolute steal.
Product number 2, Real Perfection 16-piece pink set. If the BS Mall set felt a bit basic, this Real Perfection set takes a slightly more stylish approach. Priced at just $7.99, it comes in a cute pink design with wooden handles and aluminum ferrules, giving it a more polished look than most budget sets. If you want something that looks good on your vanity and still performs, this one's a solid pick. The 16 brushes cover all the essentials: foundation, powder, blush, eyeshadow, and even an eyebrow razor included. The synthetic bristles are soft and blend well, especially with powder products. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wooden handles give you better grip and control, which helps when you're doing detailed work like eyeliner or blending eyeshadow. It's also cruelty-free, which matters if you're conscious about that. Now, some people mention the bristles can feel a little stiff at first. Here's the thing though, after a couple of washes, they soften up nicely. It's not a deal breaker unless you have super sensitive skin. This is perfect for you if you want a pretty, functional set that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need more than 16 brushes or prefer a neutral color. For under $8, it's a great deal.
Product number 3, Beaky 16-piece set with sponges. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners, the Beaky set. At $7.99, it includes 16 brushes plus 2 blender sponges and a beauty paper case, which adds real value. If you want a set that gives you tools beyond just brushes, this one stands out. The brushes are soft, synthetic, and work well with liquid, cream, and powder products. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included sponges are latex-free and have that pore-mimicking texture pros use, so you get a flawless base without streaks. The case is compact and travel-friendly, and the whole set feels balanced in your hand. Now, some people said the sponges aren't as dense as high-end ones. Here's the thing though, they still blend foundation smoothly, especially if you dampen them first. It's a minor trade-off for the price. This is perfect for you if you're new to makeup and want everything in one box. Skip this one if you already own good sponges and just need brushes. For the extras included, it's a smart buy.
Product number 4, BS Mall 14-piece purple set. If you've liked the first BS Mall set but want something a little more compact, this 14-piece purple version might be your match. At $8.54, it's still under $10 but comes in a chic rose gold design that looks way more expensive. If you want a smaller, stylish set that still covers all your basics, this one delivers. The nylon bristles are soft, dense, and cruelty-free, making them great for sensitive skin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variety of shapes means you can contour, highlight, and blend eyeshadow like a pro, even with fewer brushes. The travel case is slim and keeps everything protected. Now, some people wished it included more eye-specific brushes. Here's the thing though, for face makeup, it's excellent, and you can always add a couple of eye brushes later. This is perfect for you if you prioritize face application and want something sleek. Skip this one if you do heavy eye makeup daily. It's a great middle ground option.
Product number 5, Mlemla 25-piece complete kit. If you want the most comprehensive set on this list, the Mlemla 25-piece kit is hard to top. At $9.99, it includes 21 brushes, 2 powder puffs, and 2 makeup sponges. Basically, a full makeup arsenal. If you want maximum versatility without buying extras, this is the one. Every brush is labeled, so beginners won't get lost. And the nylon bristles are soft, durable, and blend effortlessly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having so many options means you can switch between cream and powder products without cross-contamination. And the sponges help set everything perfectly. The packaging is gift-ready, which is a nice touch. Now, some people said the case feels a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're traveling light, it's a bit much, but for home use or gifting, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you want one set that does it all. Skip this one if you prefer minimal kits. For under $10, it's the best value overall.
So which one should you pick? The BS Small 18-piece is great for beginners. The Real Perfection set looks cute and works well. Beaky gives you extra sponges. The purple BS Small is sleek and compact. And Lemlay offers the most tools for the price. If I had to pick one, Lemlay wins for sheer value. But honestly, any of these will do the job without breaking the bank.